Hey guys, it's Jirbie. I'm your certified aromatherapist, graduate of New York Institute of Aromatic Studies, and for today you're up for another smell test. I actually have 3 vanilla oils here, and 2 of which are from plant therapy. I've already compared this previously, so if you want to check that out, don't forget to check the cards up here to get to know my review about these 2 oils. But today, we will be comparing these 2 plant therapy oils against its Young Living's counterpart, what I think about them, why I think you should or should not buy it, and all my observations about these 3 oils. If you want to get to know more about plant therapy and Young Living's vanilla oleoresin, then please keep on watching. Alright, so Young Living's vanilla oleoresin was released, I think, last year of November. I think that was around Black Friday sale or somewhere during that time before Christmas. And I remember they came out exactly at almost the same time as Plant Therapy came out with their vanilla botanical extract. While Plant Therapy's vanilla oleoresin has been phased out, I think. It's not really in their catalog anymore. I was able to get this when it was first released perhaps 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 to 3 years ago, I think in 2018. And first off, I just want to mention all the theoreticals about it, okay? All the literature about it before we go on with the smell test, okay? So this one, Plant Therapy's vanilla oleoresin, is actually extracted through, I think this is through CO2 distillation. And they used to have another vanilla that's absolute. So I'm not sure if this is absolute. I don't think so. I think this was extracted via CO2 distillation. But anyway, I got this a few years back for $16.95. And you can't really find this in today's catalog of Plant Therapy. So let's just move on with Plant Therapy's vanilla botanical extract. This one you can get for $14.95. It's more affordable than this one. The method of extraction is a little different. So for this, it's called hydroalcohol distillation. So I think this was extracted through CO2 distillation. This, they say, is more sustainable as it is sourced from Uganda. It's not really safe for pets, but it's safe for kids, pregnant women, and breastfeeding women. Now this is very interesting. This is from Young Living's version of vanilla oleoresin. And this is priced at $32. It's like double as compared to this. And what I noticed is that this one is actually diluted in fractionated coconut oil. So as regards to value, this is really not making it. I would rather go with this or even this because this is basically pure vanilla oleoresin. I know Eden's Garden has their own version. I've never tried that, but this is pure vanilla oleoresin. This is diluted to FCO and it's twice more expensive. I hope it smells so much better or else I'd be bummed. Okay, so let's just read what's on the website of Young Living. With its warm, rich, slightly sweet aroma, vanilla is one of the most popular and recognizable fragrances throughout the world for a reason. Young Living's exclusive vanilla oleoresin has gentle, welcoming personality with a balanced aroma that evokes pleasant memories when diffused. I've been using this for the past few days. I really love the smell, but I haven't really compared them as against each other. So this on its own and paired with a citrus or paired with ilang-ilang, it really smells amazing. Extracted from beans grown in the northwestern region of Madagascar, our ethically sourced pure vanilla oleoresin is made with a unique extraction method developed for Young Living. This unique process helps our vanilla retain its rich, classic aroma and blend especially well with Young Living essential oils. This is not really pure. This is diluted with FCO. Obtaining just the right vanilla oleoresin involves the removal of naturally sourced ethyl alcohol from French sugar beets, at which point the product is processed with fractionated coconut oil. While many vanilla products in the market are synthetic, Young Living's vanilla is 100% pure and quality tested to meet our rigorous seed-to-seal quality commitment. Vanilla has a pure, rich aroma that may change slightly as you use it in different ways. So it also enhances and complements a wide variety of other aromas. Diffuse vanilla to create a homey, welcoming atmosphere and enjoy its naturally calming aroma. Blend it or layer it with your favorite Young Living essential oils to create your own personal fragrance. Okay, in line with that, I'm really the type who enjoys vanilla. I love vanilla scent. And I think this is the proper segue. I'll be having my Essential Oils Perfumery Workshop. It's a natural perfumery making class using only pure essential oils. And vanilla is like one of the most important ingredients in my class. It's one of the magic ingredients to bring everything and turn it into something very perfume-like. So I really like testing out vanillas because I love incorporating it in my natural perfume class, even in my own natural perfume concoctions. And so it's important for me to check out all the vanillas available. That's why I'm very excited to get this. As soon as this came out, I'm like, I gotta get my hands on that. I want to test it and get to know the difference and maybe let you know if it's worth to spend your $32 for this 5 mils. By the way, these two are 10 mils. So you do the math. All right. So if you guys are interested to learn more about natural perfume making, don't forget to join me on my class. I'll put the poster here. Registration is ongoing through the link below, or I will put it in the description box, and I hope to see you. That's Balto. Bal, what are you doing? Say hi. No. Bal. By the way, if you want to join my Essential Perfumery class this February, everybody gets a chance to bring this home. This is Melissa Pepping's perfume book, so you get to learn more essential oil perfume recipes. Plus, each student will have their own EO perfume kit, which contains scent strips, of course, all the supplies, all the droppers. So all the droppers, all the bottles, and their cute little funnel so you won't have a hard time. Plus, 10 essential oils that you will be using during the class. The class is very, very personal because you will have the freedom to concoct your own recipe, but I will be guiding you every step of the way. And I will be teaching you a technique that I've learned from New York Institute of Aromatic Studies. I heard it's trademarked under that school. So if you want to learn about that, then don't forget to sign up today, reserve your slots. Alright, so I just had to move Balto away before I start with my smell test. So today I'm going to be a little fancy. I'm going to be using this scent strips from my school, New York Institute of Aromatic Studies. I mean, you can use any other scent strips. It's just that I found these again while I was fixing my things and I thought of using them. So for my essential perfumery class, you guys will be having some of these, all of your tools, all of your supplies for the class are provided, including all your bottles, all your droppers, all your oils are included. So it's going to be super worth it. If you want to get to know more about essential oils and learn how to articulate them, don't forget to join my next sniff sesh. It's going to be this February 14th. Have a Valentine's date with me. Sign up is also ongoing. I'd love to see you there. And let's sniff together sandalwood, amyris, elemi, and frankincense. Okay? Alright, so I'm opening 3 bottles. I'll be putting 1 drop each. Okay, so let's just put it here. Oops. Vanilla botanical extract. Oh, I can smell it from here. Whoa, and it's a little bit more runny compared to the Oleoresin, as you can see. We're just putting in 1 drop each. Okay. And Young Livings. This is the most viscous and lightest, simply because it's diluted in fractionated coconut oil. So you can actually fold the tips to make sure that it won't contaminate when you leave it on your table. Alright, so it's time to take a whiff. It's easy to compare them because they have like different levels of darkness, so you'll never ever mix them up. Okay. 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 Scent-wise, I honestly like Plant Therapy's Vanilla Oleoresin the most. It has the sweetest scent among the three. This has a very unique touch into it. Like, I can smell a little bit of the fruit or the sourness of it. I can't describe, but it smells like a fruit. There's like a fruity tinge into it. And for Young Living, it smells more of a flower to me. And of course, the intensity is not really there as compared to the first two. This still has the sweetness, like the vanilla concentrated sweetness into it. Much like when you're going to a baking store, it smells like that. It's the best. This one has a fruity tinge into it. Like, I can't remember, I can't pinpoint, but there's a fruity dimension into it. Not bad. Okay, this is now developing into something more caramelly, pastry, but it's not really as close as this. This is the most fragrant. Okay, let's try sniffing it from the bottle. You can't really smell much when you sniff it straight from the bottle. That's the reason why I actually got these scent strips, because I was trying to compare them straight from the bottle, but I really can't. As compared to this, you can instantly smell the tincture smell, as of when you put an herb or a plant in an alcohol. You can smell it here. And this smells very heady, very musky, very rounded, full-bodied, in fact. So there you go, guys. That is my 2 cents for each of these bottles. Would I recommend this? I don't really think so. I think that's so expensive for its size, but it's really very fragrant. Now, another point that I wanted to mention is that this is diluted in FCO. So I don't really think that this is very appropriate in using with your water diffusers. That is the reason why I've been using this with my waterless diffuser, so that it's easier for me to clean it up with hot water and baking soda, and all of those FCO residue will be gone. It smells really amazing when you pair it with your sweet orange or with your ilang-ilang or with your other blends that has a lot of citruses in it. Vanilla actually pairs well with a lot of scents like woods, so sandalwood, cedarwood, bergamot, cinnamon, frankincense, grapefruit, jasmine, mandarin orange, ilang-ilang, and yuzu. So you can actually use these in your essential oil perfumes, or if you want to make your home smelling a little more festive, a little more homey, a little more retro, you can definitely add these. Right, Bob? Yeah. This is such a sweet boy. Alright, so I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do so. I have a lot of other essential oil videos upcoming this February, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!